everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. I'm Belenesh from Triangle Hub. Today I'll show you how to ask person's name and their response, both Chinese and Amharic language. This expression is a very important expression to introduce someone for the first time. So please stay with me. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let us begin. Okay, how do you say what is your name in Chinese? For Chinese language, we use Ni Jiao Shema Minze. Repeat after me, okay? Ni Jiao Shema Minze. Ni Jiao Shema Minze. The response of this question is my name is your name. In Chinese language, Wo Jiao your name. For example, my name is Belenesh. Wo Jiao Belenesh. Wo Jiao Belenesh. Wo Jiao Belenesh. For Amharic language, when we say what is your name, it is different, both female and male. For female, we use ስምሽ ማን ይባላል? ስምሽ ማን ይባላል? ስምሽ ማን ይባላል? To answer this question, ስሜ your name እባላለሁ. For example, my name is Belenesh. ስሜ በላይነሽ እባላለሁ. ስሜ በላይነሽ እባላለሁ. Or shortly በላይነሽ እባላለሁ. Okay. For men, we use ስምህ ማን ይባላል? Repeat after me, okay? ስምህ ማን ይባላል? ስምህ ማን ይባላል? The answer of this question is the same as to female. So, ስሜ your name እባላለሁ. For example, as me, ስሜ በላይነሽ እባላለሁ. Or shortly, we use በላይነሽ እባላለሁ. በላይነሽ እባላለሁ. Okay. This is a very important expression to meet someone for the first time. So please repeat after me to improve your pronunciation, and don't forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I love you so much. See you in the next video.